Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner maintenance light. First, understand that this light is a reminder for routine service, like an oil change, not an error. To begin, park your vehicle in a safe spot and make sure the engine is completely off. Then, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares your dashboard for the reset sequence. If your 4Runner has a traditional key, turn it to the on position. Next, locate the odometer reset button on your dashboard. Press this button repeatedly until your display shows trip or ODO. It's important to be on the correct display. Once you've confirmed the display, turn your ignition key completely off. This sets up the next crucial step for the reset. Now, press and hold the odometer reset button firmly. While keeping it pressed, turn your ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 seconds. You should see the maintenance light flash, possibly beep, and then turn off. This indicates the reset process is successfully underway. Once the light turns off, release the odometer button. You can now start your 4Runner to confirm the maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If the light remains on, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset process one or two more times. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to register. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.